Hey guys, welcome back to All Things Antonia, and in today's video I am going to be doing the long awaited, well, I've been waiting to do this myself, the long awaited Dollar Tree wash day routine. So today I am doing my wash day routine using all Dollar Tree hair care products and hair items. So so I'll show you what I am using. So I have co-washed my hair and I left that in the shower. 1 second. Okay, so I co-washed my hair today using the one and only Argan Oil Color Oasis Volumizing Conditioner. And I'm going to be using as a leave-in conditioner the Alberto VO5 Anti-Frizz conditioner. This is a smoothing conditioner and it has argan oil in it as well with 5 other vitamins, but it's anti-frizz, so I thought that would be good to use as a leave-in conditioner. I have this tea tree oil from Dollar Tree and I'm going to be using this on my scalp and on my hair. And for a styler, I am using the Lusty Olive Oil Styling Gel. And if this doesn't give me the type of hold that I like for my wash and goes to have, then I'm going to be using this gel that I got from Dollar Tree also, and this is the LA Looks Extreme Sport and it has a hold level of 10. So either one of these, we'll see how it goes and I'll decide which one. To hold my hair back, you know, I like to section my hair, so to hold it back I have these hair ties. I have these little satin ones. I think I'm going to use these at night when I get ready to pineapple my hair, so I'm going to hold on to these for later. But these are just like elastics, and if you watched my Dollar Tree haul when I purchased these, I was kind of nervous about them, but I think I'm going to try these out while I'm sectioning my hair, and I'll give you my thoughts on these as well. I'll give you my thoughts on all these products, so stay to the end for that. But yeah, I'm going to go ahead and get started. Also, I am wearing, barely wearing the turban that I got. This is a microfiber towel. I got this from Dollar Tree, and it doesn't really fit. It's not big enough to hold like my hair. I did try to have my hair at the top and twist it back the way it's supposed to be done, and it's just not working. So you know, it'll do, but I have another one of these that's not from Dollar Tree and it's bigger and actually my hair fits in it. So let's just get into this. I'll probably fast forward through a lot of the parts because my technique in doing my wash day routine is the same. I haven't really changed it up, and I won't change it until like fall time when the weather is cooler, so I will do an updated video on that. But yeah, so I'm just gonna go ahead and get started and I'll be back. Okay, so I'm back. I just took this I just took the turban off my hair, and I've had that turban on my hair. I've been washed my hair like an hour ago, and I've been like on the phone with my mom and like texting my sister and stuff, so it's still pretty damp, but it's not like soaking wet, but my hair feels very soft, y'all, and all I did was co-wash it with this. And I thought this would be very good as a co-wash just because it's for color treated hair, and you know, when you color your hair you need a lot of moisturization. And my hair feels so soft. Huh. Okay, gotta get started. I'll be back. Okay guys, so I'm back. I have done this half of my hair, and I will say that I'm thinking it's gonna be okay. It's not looking too bad. Never mind me, I am having some type of allergy attack right now, so like my eyes are crying, and anyways, so I will tell you what I have done so far. So I am using this conditioner, okay, and I started out using this gel, and I'm not liking what I was seeing. I didn't feel like it was really gonna give me the hold that I like. I like a very strong hold for my wash and go because I need for it to last for the week as long as possible, you know, at least a good 3 days, and then after that I can, you know, refresh it and restyle it and get me through the rest of the week until it's wash day again. But this is not by itself not going to be enough, so I only use this on like this very back section, which is like the first section I started on. So after I realized this wasn't gonna work, I switched to this gel. And I thought, okay, I first put it on, I was like, yeah, this is doing really good. I like this, and it says it has a max hold of 10, so that's good. So as I kept moving on throughout my hair, and it's, you know, starting to dry, I'm like, no, you're not gonna do it by yourself either, my friend. So I kept thinking, and I was like, I have a gel from, I don't know how long ago, but it's from Dollar Tree, and it is called the Super Look, right? Yeah, it's called Super Look Extreme Hold Styling Gel, and it is by Wetline. And you guys know I love Wetline Extreme Hair Gel. It's kind of a dupe for Eco Styler Gel, except it's like $2 and you get like a huge bottle of it. So this I've had forever. I just never used it, so you can see the jar is still like to the top. Only thing is what I've used in my hair today. So I actually got through pretty much my entire head with just this gel, and then I was like, no. So I went back through and just topped it all off with this, and this is what it's giving me right now. So I'll turn around so you can see. So I'm gonna go ahead and do this side of my head, and then I'll be back. One more thing. Before I get started on this section, I am using those pink rubber bands. They're like plastic, kind of plasticky but stretchy. They don't feel like like a traditional rubber band in a way, but these, it actually doesn't feel that bad in my hair. Growing up as a kid, me and my sister, we used to put regular rubber bands in our hair. And I know that's not recommended, so don't take that and do that. But yeah, this kind of takes me back to those days. And so yeah, so I've been using these to like section my hair off. So like literally everything I'm using is from Dollar Tree. These are from Dollar Tree as well. So yeah, so I just thought about that as I was about to take this down and see how easy this comes out of my hair. There's no snagging or anything like that. So yeah, okay, I'll be back. Okay guys, so I'm back and I am done with my hair. I did decide to do a bit of a side part, not too deep, I don't think. But yeah, so this is what it's looking like right now. I'm gonna let this dry for a little bit, and I'm gonna have to go in with my hair dryer and dry the rest because I don't like to sleep on a wet head, and it's starting to get pretty late outside. So I just wanted to come on here and show you what it's looking like so far, and I'm impressed. I will say I have been using both gels. So I used this one, and I've used about almost half of it, but I used this one, and then I went back over the top with this one, just because I don't feel like either one by itself is gonna give enough hold, but the two together, we'll see. I'll hold that to the end, but we need to see how it dries and how it feels, how it holds up. But I'll go ahead and give you a quick view. So you've seen this side already. It's starting to dry now, but that's that side. And here, and that's what we're looking like right now. And yeah, I'm gonna go do some other things, some laundry, get ready for the work day tomorrow, and I'll be back. Okay guys, so I am back. I did have to go in with a hair dryer on my hair. I tried to let it air dry as long as I could, but it's getting late, and so I decided to just go in with a hair dryer. So now it's about 90 to 95% dry. This side is still a bit more damp than this side over here. But overall, I am loving the results. My hair has just enough hold from the gel concoction I created, and I feel like this is gonna last me a decent amount of time throughout the week, so that's not bad. I'll go ahead and give you a look at how it looks dry. So I haven't even looked at the back of it myself, so I'm assuming it looks okay. But yeah, I'm not really mad at it. So I'll go through the items that I used. So I used this conditioner by One and Only Argan Oil, and this is a volumizing conditioner. I don't need any extra volume. My hair gets bigger and bigger every day. So yeah, but this is sulfate free, paraben free, and it's actually for color treated hair. Now in the beginning of this video I said that I wasn't too impressed with this conditioner. My issue with it when I was trying to co-wash is that it didn't really give me much slip to help me detangle my hair. So I was disappointed about that. But as you saw in the clip, when I took my hair down out of the towel, it felt so soft. It felt really good. So I'm gonna say it did a good job at that. Another thing, I did use quite a bit of this conditioner when I was co-washing with it, so I don't know, but I will finish the bottle, of course, since I have purchased it. The VO5 conditioner that I used for a leave-in conditioner, I actually kind of liked it. It's pretty thick, and I like a thick conditioner. This says it tames and smooths. It has argan oil, and it is paraben free, so that's good. It also has 5 other vitamins: vitamin E, vitamin H, vitamin C, vitamin B5, and vitamin B3. So yeah, I don't really have anything bad to say about this conditioner. Now the gel that I was thinking I was gonna be most impressed with out of all these things is this olive oil styling gel, and you know, I'm not gonna lie, I did use this to like slick my hair back into a bun earlier this week, and it did pretty good for that. But for this, for a wash and go, it just wasn't enough, so I did combine it with this gel. Actually, I just stopped using this. I started using this gel on my hair, and it was doing pretty good, but as my hair was drying and I was moving on to other sections, I noticed that this wasn't giving me the results I was wanting, that I needed to see. So I remembered that I had this gel, which is called Super Look, and it's by the Wetline brand, and I love Wetline Extreme Hair Gel. I've talked about it and used it in previous videos before, so I thought, okay, let me go pull this out of my collection of curly hair products, and so that's what I did. And I actually ended up combining these two because individually neither one was going to give me the result I wanted. Together they gave me this result. So yeah, so let's see, I used 1, 2, 3, 4, and I did use a little bit of this tea tree oil. I didn't use much. Well, maybe I used quite a bit. You can see it there, how much I used. But this is from Dollar Tree also, and you can use this for many different things, not just for your hair. So So yeah, so I had about a $5 wash day, and these are the results. So you tell me what $5 product, one $5 product you can use that can give you your desired result, because this is like my desired result. So I'm gonna hop off of here. I'm gonna get ready for bed, do my pineapple, my nighttime curly hair routine. I'm gonna do that. I'll probably take some pictures tomorrow just so you'll see, how it looks the next day, and possibly multiple pictures. I don't know, it depends on how many days before I post this video. I'll try to update every day until the video is posted. So yeah, follow me on Twitter at All Things Anton1 at twitter.com, Instagram All Things Antonia, and on Google Plus Antonia LaShawn. I post pictures and updates and things on there from time to time also. So if you would like to see this in real time, then you should probably be following me on my social media accounts, and that information is always in my description box. So please be sure to read the description box, because I do leave other information in there that I may not mention in the video. But yeah, so I'm gonna hop off of here. Thank you so much for watching. If you're new here, go ahead, hit the subscribe button before you leave today, and yeah, click that bell for notifications, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.